All of my hair is out, but none of my hair is colored. How did Dani do her magic today? Stay tuned to find out. Now, I mentioned that my hair is all out completely, but what hair did we color? We colored the same hair from our last Indique video, which we are obsessed with. We love that texture so much. We wanted to see the versatility in that texture. So what we did was we got a shorter length of that hair, and then from there, Dani went in and colored it, and we're going to show you the entire process, yes. But I'm really, really excited to see that Indique is just so versatile, and you know, I'm just really happy with the results.
Yes,
yes,
we love it.
Yeah, so let's get into this video.
No.
transformed me to being a baddie with colored hair.
Yes, okay.
I love it.
The blonde bombshell.
Yes. So I'm about to go out to the grocery store and act like I own it. So thank you so much again for watching this week's video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when my next video goes live. Thank you so much again for watching.
Catch you guys next time.
Yay!